Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share pide or Turkish pizza recipe. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Let's get started. At first we will prepare the pizza dough. For that I will be taking 2 cups and extra half a cup, that is 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour. To that I will be adding little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoon of instant yeast, 3 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 cup of milk. I will knead the dough and more I will be adding little more water, that will be less than 1/4 cup. So you just add little bit of water and prepare the dough. It should be nice soft, but it will be sticky also, no worries. As you keep kneading, using little bit of oil or flour, whichever you prefer, you will get a nice soft smooth dough. Knead it nicely for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will have nice gluten formed in it, and you can keep it in the same pot. You can keep it for resting. We will just add little more oil and we will keep it for resting for approximately 1 to 1.5 hours or until it ferments to double the size. Now let's keep it aside and we'll work on some of the fillings. These are a very simple fillings. This is just a paneer filling I am preparing with powdered masala. Anything you like you can use here. I am just using chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and pepper. I will just saute it in little bit of oil and keep it aside. This is for paneer pizza. Next I will prepare for spinach pizza. For that I am just adding little bit of chopped garlic. To that I will be adding chili flakes and also little bit of onions. Give it a good stir. Then to that I will be adding little bit of salt and also the broccoli. I am adding little bit of broccoli. And now what I will be adding is little bit of salt and spinach. I have already boiled in the water and kept. That I have just added. Chopping it little, I just added it. Give it a good mix. To that I will be adding little bit of butter. This butter will give nice enhanced flavor. Do surely give it a try. Now we will keep all these fillings aside. Now you can see the dough has doubled in size. Now I will be releasing all the gas and give it a good knead, and I will be kneading it for again 5 minutes. This dough is a very soft and fluffy dough. Do stick to the same proportion what I have added. You can also store this dough in the fridge and use it later on when you have leftover. No worries, it will be perfectly fine. With this measure I was able to make 4 pides. This pide is nothing but Turkish name given to the pizza, and what is different is the shape. The shape and the name is different, otherwise everything is same like how we make pizza. Just roll it in the lengthwise direction like how I have been doing now, and just roll it with 2 hands to form the boat shape. You should form 2 tips on both the sides so that you will get a boat shape. This is the pide shape, how they will be making pide pizza. Just I will be rolling all 4 in this same way and shifting it to the baking tray, which I have already greased and kept. Just grease it with little bit of oil so that it doesn't stick to the baking tray. Now this way we will prepare all our pides. This base is very super soft and very fluffy dough. You can try it and do let me know whether it worked out perfectly fine for you. For me it was very fluffy and nice soft pizza it was. I will be preparing 4 different pizzas today. The pizza sauce I have used is a homemade pizza sauce, which I will be sharing later on. It's only a simple pizza sauce which I made with tomato, basil, little bit of onions, olive oil and oregano and garlic also. Just Keep cooking everything together until it mashes and nicely become a sauce-like texture. You need this consistency. That's what I did. And first one I'm making is the cheese pizza, only cheese with the pizza sauce. Now next one is the veggie garden, in which I will be adding only onions, tomatoes and colored peppers and some green olives and loads of mozzarella cheese. Nicely you have to use lot of mozzarella cheese, shredded one, which is the main ingredient for the pizza. Now again the next one which I am going to make is the paneer pizza. This is also one of the kids' very favorite one. This is also very tasty. Now again top it with loads of mozzarella cheese. The next one is a very healthy share. It is nothing but broccoli and spinach. Among all four, I like the taste of this spinach only the most. This was more tastier than any other pizza I have tasted. Sure, give it a try. Now finally I will be just adding little bit of Italian seasoning on top. Even you can add the chili flakes or garlic powder if you want, for just little bit difference in various tastes. I just baked it for 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. I think 15 minutes was full I used, and you get this nice delicious fluffy pizza ready. You can see how juicy and fluffy they are. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.